confidence. Find a comfortable place to sit. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. Once again, inhale and exhale. Feel your body relaxing, your mind becoming calm. Imagine that today you have an important meeting. See yourself walking into the room. Your back is straight, your chin is slightly lifted. Your eyes are calm and confident. See yourself attending slowly, with class. You smile softly and greet everyone with a calm, confident voice. Your presence say, I am here, I am valuable, I am ready. Repeat after me, silently or in a whisper. My confidence grows with every breath. My words are full of class and calm. My decisions are wise and firm. My presence brings professionalism and peace. I deserve success, respect, and professional fulfillment. Take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. Feel your body, your energy, and your confidence. And now open your eyes. You are ready to enter this day with the strength and class of a 21st century lady.